48W UV nail lamp LED nail dryer curing lamplight with auto sensing 3060. It's 9120s timer setting for gel nail polish builder gel J727. 4 timers setting with LCD screen. There are 3060th 6090s timer and 120s low heat mode setting, which allows better control of the curing time of each gel layer to create perfect nails. Also, the function of 120's smart low heat specially designed for people with thin or soft nails, it can efficiently reduce the burning pain caused by high power from the beginning. Moreover, it also equipped with a large LCD screen that clearly shows the cure time. Auto sensing for curing. Without pressing any switches, a motion sensor will turn the lamps on when you or your client put a hand in, so you can proceed to work with your client's other hand or toe without having to push buttons every time. It would reduce your overall working time. Large space and long-lasting lifetime. The nail dryer has adequate space, which makes it easier to put 5 fingers or 5 toes, even 2 hands at the same time. And 24 pieces long-lasting 50,000 hours lifetime LED beads are distributed evenly inside. It would help to cure gel nail polish uniformly and won't hurt your skin. No need to change any bulbs. Cure all gel nails, double optical wavelength, 365 nm plus 405 nm, makes the UV nail lamp compatible with all types of UV LED nail gel polish brands, including CND Shellac, Oki, Gelish, and Sally Hansen, Nail Builder Gel, Poly Gel, Hard Gel, Nail Sculpture Gel, and Rhinestone Gems Glue. Detachable base, the bottom plate of the nail lamp preventing light leakage, which can be freely disassembled to clean gel nail polish out of the lamp. Also, the nail gel lamp with beautiful, unique design appearance and an ultra-high shine look, which can be used at home and in a professional salon environment. And it's the best gift for your friend or family. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.